Hello, welcome back to my channel, Start Bakings. This video is solely dedicated on showing you how to make a stabilized powdered whipped cream. It's so simple and it's easy to understand. So let's move straight into it. First, you need your bowl and your whisk hook to be super cold. It should be in the freezer for at least 40 minutes. Then you immediately add your powdered whipped cream and your milk. You first give it a bit stir and then you on your mixer to start doing the work. This mixing process could take you 5 to 7 minutes. One tip is that your whipped cream will always be stable when it's cold. So make sure your whipped cream is always in the fridge or the freezer so as to stop it from being solid. When you reach this point that it makes stiff peaks and it's hard to fall off, then your stabilized whipped cream is ready. And you did well. You can use this whipped cream to cover a cake or as a topping on your milkshake or in your donut, but I personally used it on my Swiss roll cake. And I'll leave a link at the end of this video. Please try this recipe and do comment down below on how it worked for you. There's also a full detailed recipe in the description box below, so do check it out for further understanding. With that said, I would happily say we have reached the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Adios!